Wait,
Hi, Carol. Yeah, Carol, can you hear teacher?
yes, I can.
Yeah, sorry, Carol, you cannot see teacher Anha because my internet is very slow. It's been no, 3 days already that we don't have proper internet in the house. So I cannot open the video because it will be loading. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, so wait me for a minute. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Okay. Yeah, today it's very tiring day for a teacher because we had everyday practice for our event on Sunday. On Sunday, we will be having a family day. That's a big day for us. So we have here a lot of things to do. Okay, so I have here, I will share it to you, Carol. So what's the weather in Vietnam now?
The weather is windy.
Is it very hot or no? Is it hot, Carol, or no?
Um, no, it isn't.
It isn't. Okay.
It's
Here it's very hot in the morning. Really, really hot in the morning.
yes,
Yeah,
it
here.
is be hot in the morning, but it is cool in the evening.
Yeah, the same here. It's very hot in the morning and it's very cold in the evening time. So the same here in my country. Okay. So our topic for today is send a postcard. Okay. See, sending, do you know this postcard, Carol?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you love the postcard. So have you received a postcard? Have you got any postcard?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so you haven't had. Okay. So I don't know if nowadays postcard will be the same because we already have internet. Okay. Everything we want, we just gonna watch it in the Google or we gonna watch it in the internet or in the YouTube or TikTok, right? So everything is
Yes,
possible. Okay. Now, why do you think people need to do before sending a postcard? Before you send a postcard, what do you think people will do?
I think people will.
What do you think? Okay, what do you think people need to do before you send a postcard like this? Example, you go to other country and you send a postcard. What do you think people will gonna do before you send a postcard?
People, I think people will go to the post office and send it.
Okay, so people will go to the post office before to send a postcard, of course. So before you send a postcard, of course, you will gonna visit the post office because this is where they have to do the thing. Okay? Okay. So here, let us have here the dialogue. Okay, I am Cody and you are the postal worker. You work in the postal. Okay. Hello, can you help me mail this postcard, please?
Of course, do you want to send it to someone? locally or to someone overseas.
I would like to send it to China.
You'll need a stamp for international mail. Then it costs it cost is it costs $120.
Hey, no problem. Here is the money.
Just attach this stamp to your postcard and leave it in the post box.
Okay, where can I find the post box?
It's the big blue box right outside the door.
Okay, it's the big blue box right outside the door. Okay, very good. Okay, so here, please look at that again. Okay, please check. Okay, after you check, you tell me if you're done checking. Okay,
Wait, hold on.
okay. So we have here four messages, mail, overseas, stamp, and post box. So we have four, okay? So what do you think is mail? What is mail for you? What do you think or what do you know about mail? What is mail? Mail is? What is mail? Mail is? What is mail? Mail is? What is mail? Carol, what do you mean by mail? It is like a letter. Mail is a letter. Okay. Okay. Can you help me mail? Or this one, another term for mail is, can you help me send? Okay. You're gonna have to mail this. You're gonna have to send this. That's mail. About overseas. What do you think is overseas? What is overseas for you? Overseas is what?
And
What is overseas? Overseas is, what do you mean by overseas?
overseas is is in another country.
Okay, overseas is crossing another country. That is what we call as overseas. You cross to another country, like you overseas. There is an overseas. Okay, so how about stamp? Stamp, what is stamp for you? Stamp. What is stamp? Stamp is
Stamp is stamp is a sticker which stick it on an envelope.
Okay,
When we
stamp is like you gonna have
send
to.
to send mail.
Okay, stamp is like you stick and the. Okay, you have to put it in the envelope. Okay, that's the stamp. Okay, how about post box? What is post box? What do you mean by the word post box? What is post box for you?
Post box box is a box which had
It's a box
which
which
which which had uh had some mails
box with have which have
put some mails into it.
okay box with have which have okay,
Had
it's there's
some
a mail on it. Okay, just like a box, and there is a mail on it. Very good. So, what do you think, Carol? They're talking about in the dialogue, in the conversation. What do you think they're talking about?
they are talking about send send the postcard.
They're talking about
Send a
okay,
postcard.
sending a postcard. Very good. They're
Post-
talking about sending a postcard. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, so here. Now look at this. Please try to answer the questions. Okay, what do you need to attach on your postcard before mailing it? Okay, before you mail your postcard, what do you think you are gonna attach? What do you think you are gonna attach before you mail your postcard?
I when I send my postcard, I need to attach the
Do you need to attach that?
stamp,
You need to attach the stamped.
the
Very
stamp,
good. Where should you put a postcard that you want to mail? Example, you will gonna mail a postcard. Well, you will gonna attach it. Where?
attach a postcard into the post box.
In the post box, okay? Or in the mail box. You can post or you can attach your postcard in the mail box, right? You can have that. You can attach it there. Okay. Next one. What other things can you send by postcard? What other thing can you send by post? Okay. So what other things aside from postcard? What other things you can send by post? What other things? Like what other things do you think? What other thing you can send by post? What other thing you can send by post? Like mail or letter you can send letter by post. Of course, if you want to send letter, you can send it by post. In the post, mail. In the post office. Post office, Carol, is the place where you will gonna get and send mail. Okay, do you understand, Carol? Okay, so here,
Okay.
Carol, please try to complete these expressions. You write your answer in the chat box here, okay? Please try to write that expressions, okay? So we have here across like that. Down, going down. This is across, okay, you know already, right? Across and down, okay? Please try to answer. Okay, write your answer. Let me see if you can find complete the expression for sending a postcard in a foreign country. Where can I find the nearest what? What is the answer for number one? Okay, please try to do so. Okay, you're done. You done, Carol?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, so let me check your answer. Overseas stamped mail. Okay, so where can you find the nearest? What is this? Nearest post office. What kind of blank do I need to send this postcard? Why I can what kind of stamp do I need to send this postcard? Okay. How much do I have to pay as how much do I have to pay to send a postcard overseas? Number two, overseas. Very good. Three, what kind of stamp? Very good. Very good, Carol. Four, I would like to blank a postcard, to mail a postcard to someone in China. Very good, Carol. Okay, my questions. Have you tried sending a postcard? Have you tried sending a postcard? Okay, have you tried sending a postcard?
No, I haven't.
Okay, no, you haven't.
Can I answer, teacher?
Okay. So here, okay. So have you tried? Okay, no, wait. You tell me first. Have you tried sending a postcard? Have you tried it, Carol?
So I can't hear you.
Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear teacher? Can you
Yes,
hear
I
me?
can.
Okay. So have you tried sending a postcard? Have you tried it? Not yet. Have you tried
No,
sending
I
a
haven't.
postcard? No, you haven't tried. Okay. So here, so we have here a challenge. Okay. So have a conversation with me, with your teachers. Ask about sending a postcard to China. Okay. So you can use how can I belong? What kind of stamp? You can ask to me how much is and what should I do and where is the block. Okay. Please use those questions to ask me about sending a postcard to China. Please ask questions to ask me about sending a postcard to China.
How can I buy the postcard and stamp
Okay, how can I buy a postcard? Okay,
and stamp?
what? Okay, you can buy a postcard.
Kind,
Okay, you can buy a postcard in the post office. Okay, next.
what kind of stamp? What kind of stamp do I need to? Buy.
Okay, what kind of stamp do I need to buy? Okay, what kind of stamp do I need to buy? It is what kind of stamp?
It is overseas stamp.
Okay, what kind of stamp? I need a.
To buy.
Okay, so you can buy any kind of stamp depending on your country. Okay, next questions.
How much is the stamp?
Okay, it costs like $2 per stamp.
What should I do to send the postcard?
Okay, what should I do to? Okay, what should I do to? Again, your questions.
What should I do to send a postcard?
Okay, what should I do to send a postcard? Okay, so you have to go to the mail office and then try to and then try to tell the post office that you will gonna send a postcard and buy a stamp for that. Okay, next question.
Where is the post box?
When is the post box? Okay, where is the post box? Mostly the post box can be found at the outside your house. You can find the post box there. Okay, very good, Carol. Okay, so Carol, we don't have enough time. So Teacher Anne will end up here and then I will please join again for 10 minutes. Okay, join again. Okay, bye, Carol, and please join again. Okay.